And now we're going to get into some exciting parts that have to do with marketing. So the first thing is you want to write a caption. This is where it's really cool, because if you want to write a caption, I would just say it's very simple. You could just go to ChatGPT right here and just tell ChatGPT, create a caption for our map listing service for Google Business, where we post for businesses weekly. The name of the business is BizCrown Media, and add emojis and hashtags to the post. Make it captivating and intriguing for an Instagram Reel audience. And so this is what is cool. Without even having to do much typing, you can get the right content that you want by just simply using your voice to get the content in an AI tool. So here we select, and you can see it's added the right hashtag. So it already gives you an idea of what your audience is over there and what they might be looking at. So we copy this. And now we are going to go back to our Instagram, post our caption over here, allow paste, and we are good. Now you could create any other captions. You can add your business hashtag. All that stuff is very important. So feel free to add that. Now we are good. As you can see, our caption's there, and it's a targeted caption.